Hey friends, it's Travis Perry here for Make Time Moment. Hey, just real quick, I know there's going to be celebrations for Labor Day here this weekend, and we spend a lot of time with family, and that's all what I'm about, making time with family and doing those things that you want to be doing, but also you need to spend time, make time for yourself. Now, hey, I remember my father, busy businessman, was invited one day to actually go take some time to golf. He never golfed. He never really got out. He was just always so busy and so concerned about, his clients, his customers, and everyone else, and even his family, that he never really did anything for himself. And one day, he gave me the truck and said, "All right, you take the truck. You go do these last few jobs." I was old enough to do that for him, and he said, I'm going to go spend the day golfing with my friend, and who was a semi-pro golfer. He'd been on the tour before. Anyway, he had such a fantastic time. He literally was in tears of joy as he got out there and started swinging the club. Now, with my father's situation, man, I get it. Like, you need to make time for yourself. So I took the hint today and realized it's such a beautiful day here in Central Texas. I need to get out. I need to get on the bike and head on the trail. So I got myself a new bike here for my birthday this year, and put it in the truck, and I'm headed to ride out. So for my Make Time Minute today, just gonna suggest, make sure you make time for yourself to do those things that you like to do. Keep it in balance. Keep working life in balance, and man, you're gonna be so much more productive at work, and life is gonna be that much more fulfilling. Live life on purpose.